Parsley is often used as a garnish. Not today. Today, it's the star of the show because I'm making tabbouleh. I'm using hulled barley as my whole grain, and I'm also adding mint and some tomatoes and a super easy, light, fantastic dressing. We're going to start with 3 cups of washed and trimmed parsley, and I'm just going to chop it a little finer and add it to my bowl. We have our greens. Let's add our 1.5 cups of cooked whole grain, fresh mint or dried mint. It's a staple in traditional tabbouleh, so in it goes. Add some green onions, 2 chopped tomatoes. Look at that color, isn't that beautiful? The beauty of the salad is it's going to keep. Even once it's dressed, it's going to stay in the fridge for a couple of days, no problem. My dressing is 1/4 cup of your favorite oil. I'm using canola oil, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, fresh or canned is fine, and some salt and pepper. Add that dressing over top. Let's have a little taste test. Cheers.